Jaylab Pro Collagen Complex is a collagen supplement that contains vital vitamins and minerals that improve hair, skin, and nail elasticity and structure. Supplements such as the Jaylab Pro Collagen Complex are designed to nourish your body with vital vitamins that improve hair, skin, and even your organs. It is a powerful vital vitamin multi-collagen complex starting to dominate the self-care and health market. In this review, we will take a deeper look at how this collagen hydrolysate pill works, and you can use it to have healthier hair, skin, and nails. What is collagen complex supplement? When it comes to supporting the body's maintenance of the skeleton, Jaylab Pro Collagen Complex Supplement claims to be the best supplement available, especially for women who are going through typical hormonal fluctuations. Collagen, the most abundant protein in your body, should be kept in mind when using the Jaylab Pro Collagen Complex Supplement. The main protein responsible for shaping the connective tissue throughout the body is collagen. These collagen supplement pills are your one-stop shop for all of your collagen needs since they contain a combination of hydrolyzed collagen peptides from sources including beef or bovine, marine, chicken bone broth, and eggshell membranes, as well as types I, II, III, V, and X collagen in a compact capsule form. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which have been shown to improve your body's capacity to absorb the collagen in our supplement and contribute to an increase in collagen production in your body, are the best extra components that they could include. Furthermore, Jaylab Pro's collagen complex stands apart from the competition because of the anti-inflammatory and skin-firming effects of hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which have their advantages. And unlike most collagen supplements, which contain ascorbic acid, one of the globe's most significant natural sources of vitamin C, this one is made entirely from natural ingredients and comes from the acerola cherry. Who is collagen complex best for? These multi-collagen pills are ideal for anyone struggling with skin elasticity and hydration. The proteins inside the supplement can help form connective tissue and give a youthful complexion to the skin. The vitamin multi-collagen complex is dairy-free and gluten-free and can stimulate collagen production for healthy hair growth and skin. It contains hydrolyzed collagen peptides that come in a small capsule form that are excellent at helping decrease fine lines. When it comes to replenishing your collagen supply and promoting collagen formation, Jaylab Pro Collagen Complex is a useful dietary supplement. It won't provide you the same skin tone or physical flexibility as in your 20s. It can only regulate your aging process while enhancing the state of your skin and joint health, which were impacted by a reduction in collagen synthesis. Many consumers improved their health after using this Jaylab Pro Collagen Complex vitamin for only 2 to 3 months. You can use the producer's money-back guarantee if it cannot deliver any results.